Good morning, goeiemôre. Dis nou 10 uur 48 AM. It's 10 hours 48 minutes AM. 8th of June 2026. Alright, let's go down there quickly. Now we can see better on the other side, the wall. Okay. That's how it looks like down there. Still a lot of it's heel veel water. Maar nou in die rivier. Is nou terug in die rivier. Niks buitekant die rivier. Almal nou binne in die rivier. I just changed the course there at this moment. It's going behind those two trees there. Or is it one tree? I don't know. Anyway. Wat ook al. Ek gaan nou net om daardie bome daar. Okay, there are 3 trees. Two small ones and a big one. And around them. Okay, now it's deep in here. Wow, down there. But here it's also deep there, way down. Kom ons kyk gou. Dit's heel af hier. Nou moet ek op daai meter kyk daar aan die kant. Can you just zoom into that meter? Measurement there. 1 meter. What's it? 1 meter 800? Yeah. So just above 800. 1 meter 800. Okay. There's a lot of sand here. Okay, let's see. Let's go on with the road. Weer terug gaan na die weg toe. Hier is 'n papier plastic rubbish bag. Yeah, or something. Now it's like a piece of rubbish bag, garbage bag. What happened here? What the heck? Okay. Let's go up to the pickup. Ek het nou vanoggend met die bakkie gery. Came down with the pickup. Ek is nou met die pickup hier so, die bakkie. Alright. Let me go walk up piece down here. This road there. There's a power pole with a power box and a transformer. This was a river. Hier was 'n rivier hier so. Dus die water hier afgegaan het. Daar onder is 'n rivier nou. The river is way down there. And this was all a river now. When was it? On Friday. It's Monday today. Okay, I'm not going to go closer to the water now. Wow, it's right up there. It was right up there. Okay, it was a heel bo. Maar this was a road along there. My dad used to put the pump down there and pump it up the mountain into a sloot there. En het opgepomp in een pyp tot by die sloot en dan af ander kant na die lande toe. And no longer they use it from the weir there, yeah, from a metering wall. We're using it from there. Now, just get rid of this reed. Okay. Otherwise, it's going to grow there. And I'll throw it on top of there so that it can dry out like so. And don't grow, otherwise it's going to grow here in the middle of the walking place where the people walk. There's no more a riding place, a road, so now it's a walking road. There's no stop route nie, a ry route nie. So it comes from down there, up this hill. I think I must go up here. Let's do that. The people that lived in the house, workers' houses up at the top, wat in die werkershuises gebloon het destyds, het hierdie opgestap met hierdie paadjie. Dan die heuwel is against this hill, up this hill. See if I can make it to the top with my saw back. And now that's a road and a cutting there. Nou moet ek eers asem skep. I must catch some breath. Okay, let's look down from the top. Nou dis van boven en kyk. Zoom in. Right, that's a river down there. Nice and clean, washed out. Nice and clean until the mountain there. And it was alright over to the other side. There. All the way up there. This land was a river, the water came from there, through here, and down here, where I walked just now. I walked down there, and then I came up here. Okay, ek het opgekom na. There is a cutting, Huis River bridge there. Number 2, it should be 1. Yeah, no, 1, that should be 2. The number is 1, it must be 2 because it ends here and it flows into the Kramka River. Okay, this land was water, that land was water. Yeah, and you could have seen it through the cutting there too, at the high level. So, what was it, on Friday afternoon or whatever, it will peak at 5:15 p.m. Okay. Well, let me go down now to the pickup, naar die bakkie gedaan, daarop te ry. Dan sê ek tot ziens van deze video. Dankie dat julle gekyk het na video. Subscribe het en allerhande goede. Thank you for viewing. Tot de volgende video. Until the next video. Bye bye. It's now starting to rain again. Yeah. Still some water in this land here by the private farm. Gamka Private Farm Estate. No, excuse me. No more water flowing down here. Around here. Excuse me. Okay. Nou, water komt omgekolk is made what you call it, a tornado, mal gehad. There's a beetje van kraken hier zo. Some cracking going on here. So it almost started to take it off. Let's zoom into the cracks. See the cracks starting to crack. So if it went on for longer, it's gone. En al die cement weg. Kijk al die kraken in die cement hier. There. All the cement is full of. The cement is full of filled with crack right down there. So it's kan nie lang hou nie. Not the next time. Nee, volgende keer. Okay, so the water splashed against the bridge there and over on top of the riding place. So this is now it's far down. Heel ver off. Ongelooflik. Unbelievable. Now I'm on the other side of the bridge and there you can see the old bridge. Coming down there and it's gone. From there, zoom. From there, it's nothing of it left. Right through to up there. I don't know what's the distance, but it's far. Look at the sheep are grazing between the what is it? Flooded debris and stuff. In elk geval, er zijn skape lopen daar zo en die vreet daar zo. Right, now gaan ek aan. Now I'm going off. So that was water all the way down there. Now it's only there. Net meer hier. Net meer daar aan die ander kant ook. Nothing. Unbelievable. Ongelooflik. Right. Go back to the pick-up. Want ek kan naar dorp toe gaan. Nou, as die pick-up daar staan die bakkie, daar oorkant. Right. Bye, tot ziens. Finally, hopelik, finaal.